Pandas is a Python library for panel data manipulation and analysis. Example, multidimensional time series and cross-sectional data sets commonly found in statistics, experimental science results, econometrics, or finance. Pandas is implemented primarily using NumPy and Cython. It is intended to be able to integrate very easily with NumPy-based scientific libraries, such as stats models. Pandas is one of the main data science libraries in Python. Pandas allows importing data from various file formats such as comma-separated values, JSON, Parquet, SQL database tables or queries, and Microsoft Excel. Pandas allows various data manipulation operations such as merging, reshaping, selecting, as well as data cleaning and data wrangling features.